Lovely. There you go. There you got your left lead. Good.
Whoa. That's a big old dang trot.
And she will occasionally just do that little speed up at the last moment.
Yeah, but I just have to ride with her.
Yeah, and then if she doesn't much, then I'll just do a halt, you know, on my approach,
Okay.
and then pick up trot, and then that's usually all that I need to do, just to remind her that she's got to stay with me. And that's more likely to happen at the smaller jumps. You know, something bigger, she's more likely to half halt herself and take a second to look at it.
Okay.
So I find she's a little easier with the bigger jumps. Nice job. Good. Lovely.
Oh, she can turn on a dime.
So he can do that stadium.
I'm having a lot of fun with her.
That's awesome.
Keep your shoulders back. Good. I find she's a little easier actually cantering the jumps. You know, I can kind of push her up to the fence a little bit.
I have to actually ride her to the fence.
She's ready.